This RE/MAX Equity Group property video is presented by Denise Crane. Great floor plan. 2,160 square foot home west/2-car garage in Sandy High District. Main floor offering great room west/fireplace, kitchen granite countertops, eat bar, SSA's formal dining/living rooms. Half bath slider to covered patio, utility room, new interior paint. Upstairs offers master west/walk-in closet, dual sinks, 3 additional bedrooms and family hall bath. All this on a corner lot, outside entertaining area, west/custom made rock bench, and close to Sandy Bluff Park in a great neighborhood. For more information, review the details below or contact Denise Crane at 503-310-0448.